Hello, Shadow the Hedgehog fans out there. It's me, Josh. Today, I've got new boxes, as you can see. I've got the brand new Shadow. I've got the brand new Shadow the Hedgehog figure, which I already got, but I got a new one anyway. So please don't judge. And plus, the other one broke. And I got this one. The Light Up Super Shadow and the Light Up Super Sonic. So, yeah. Today we'll be unboxing them today. Now, stay tuned for this unboxing. Let's just unbox these real quick. Let's see. Sorry guys, I'm a bit messy around the edges. That's what I'm used to. Sorry guys, I fell off. But yeah, here they are out of the packaging. Well, almost out of the packaging. There's Sonic out of the box. No, let's get this one. There's Shadow. Got Shadow out of the box too. There, Super Shadow with the light up effect. See? Same thing goes for Sonic. I'm sure you both are. I'm sure all you guys know that they light up. So, but it's alright. So, yeah, we just got them like this. So, and then here's this. Here's this guy. We'll be unboxing him now. So stay tuned. So stay tuned, guys, because we got new news. And now we'll open you. This one is easy compared to the other ones, but hey, it's something at least. There we go. There we go. Now that he's out, he comes with one accessory, which is this spring button thing. So, yeah. Here they are. This one has great posability. His legs can double join and all that, but yeah, there's that. He has good posability, good arm rests. So, yeah, there's that. So, and then these two I would rate a 9.9 out of 10 for the light up effect and their gripping hands. So these I would recommend getting. if you guys don't have them, please recommend them. I've wanted these for so long now, so please get them. And then this one I love mainly because he's so game accurate. Mainly, he's game accurate, which I like. So yeah. So if you enjoyed this messy unboxing review, guys, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video from me. But anyway, yeah, this is me, Joshua. This is me, Josh, the Shadow the Hedgehog 2008 fan. Over and out.